So here we have a light bulb from Philips. It's called Philips Smart A67. So this is the light bulb. So when you install it, it will just display a warm light like this one, and you will want to set up the light bulb through Wi-Fi through the Wiz app, so you can just change the colors and effects. So on Android, what you need to do is to go on Google Play, search for Wiz Light, and this is the app, the first one, Wiz Connected. What you want to do is to install it. Okay, and you need to have enabled Bluetooth location and the Wi-Fi. Okay, so you start the app. You need to sign up either with Google or Facebook. Select the home, My Home, and you need to allow. So after a bit, it will display the room, and you're able to control the light bulb. And in order to change the colors, so you click on the room, and from there you have control, and you have three tabs at the bottom, and from here you can control the effects. These are static effects, and you also have dynamic. Jungle, forest, summer, Christmas. So this is how you can install and change the colors for this Philips light bulb. So you will need, as I said, the Wiz app. Probably it also exists for iOS. From there is just easy to just add the light bulb. You create the room, and then you just control it. One important thing, when you close it from the lamp switch and you open it again, it will not start with the last color. It will always start with this bright yellow light. So I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.